When should you use four-wheel low and when should you use four-wheel high?
For the longevity and protection of your transmission, drivetrain, and transfer case, appropriate use of four-wheel high and four-wheel low is so important. Four-wheel low should only be used at low speeds when you're navigating challenging terrain such as rocks and sand, steep slippery inclines, steep declines, mud and ruts, and water crossings. Four-wheel low allows you to utilize your vehicle's existing torque easier and quicker. Do not use four-wheel low or four-wheel high on the highway or paved roads. That will damage your Jeep. Four-wheel low should only be used at speeds under 30 miles per hour. When using four-wheel high, it's going to propel all four wheels and should be engaged when surfaces become slippery and the risk of losing traction on your wheels increases, like a snowy road. Lots of snow. Switching back and forth on the trails between four-wheel high and four-wheel low is not a very good idea. It actually puts more wear and tear on your Jeep. When I'm out on the trails, I stick to four-wheel low. Low and slow is the way to go. Don't be in such a rush. I'm out there to enjoy the beauty of Mother Nature and to have a good time. Speeding up and slowing down by switching from four-wheel high to four-wheel low is not good. When you are in high and you're going a little faster in between obstacles, you don't know when a big rut is coming or when something is on the trail that you might not see. I have seen a lot of damage to Jeeps when people do this. When you wheel on the trails at excessive speeds, it also multiplies the force exerted in your driveline parts. So slow down on those trails. It not only saves the damage to your Jeep, but damage to the terrain. For more detailed information on four low and four high, check out a link in the description.